I'm Emma. I'm a 13-year-old gardener, and I love gardening so much that I wrote a book about gardening for kids. And here it is, finally, my new book, Gardening with Emma, coming out early 2019. And here's my favorite spread in the book. It's called Totally Tasty Tomatoes, a big picture of me and a whole bunch of my favorite tomato varieties. This wasn't an easy photo to make, actually. We had to go around and try to balance all these different tomatoes on the fence. Now, Donna, the photographer, was really patient, but it really did take quite a while. Now, if you know me, you know that my favorite crop is tomatoes. Now, I got to tell you a little bit about some of these varieties because they are pretty cool. This variety here, Great White Blues, is one of my absolute favorite tomatoes. The top is kind of a purpley blue and the bottom is white. You can see how beautiful it is as it ripens. Green bottom, purple top. It was such a surprise to me when I grew it, and definitely one of my favorites. I love this tomato here, called Yellow Currant, because it's the size of a pea. Imagine that, so perfect for snacking on. Great flavor, thick skin so it doesn't crack, and super productive. This big red one right here is another variety that I love. It's called Lebanese Mountain. It's a variety that gets massive. It's a family heirloom. I love it, and I've grown a 3-pound tomato with it. And so I keep growing them and keep trying to grow a bigger one. Another variety that I love is this one over here, called Striped Cavern. Now, I love it because it was the first partially hollow tomato I grew. And those tomatoes that are partially hollow are actually called stuffer tomatoes, because a lot of people actually take out the seeds on the inside and stuff them. It's a really beautiful tomato, a big cavern or cave on the inside. And here it is, finally, Gardening with Emma, a kid-to-kid guide to growing and having fun. If you're looking for fun crops or some fun garden ideas for kids, check it out.